Hello, welcome back to Iris Thinks. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for looking at all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe now, or else you're going to miss out on being notified of any new content, especially this topic that we're going to speak about now. So, my Leaf's coming up to 5,000 miles. It's just actually gone over. No problem so far, apart from on Monday this week. It's now Saturday. On Monday this week, I was driving on the M25 as I do on my commute, and I was in stop-start traffic using ePedal, and I noticed like a clicking, sort of clunking noise coming from the front driver's side corner on a wheel. When I was moving away, like slowly from a standstill and then coming to a stop, there was a clunk each time. So if you've already got a Leaf, you'll know that there's the digital gauge on the dashboard that shows when regen is active and when regen is inactive, when you're effectively using the power from the battery. It's at that transition point when it switches from using the power to regenning the power, that's the point that it makes the clunking sound. So I thought maybe this is something that's diverting the power from the battery or regen or whatever, some kind of mechanical switch that's working in that instance. But it's also done it when I've been going slightly higher speeds as well, up to about 25 miles an hour. But I'm honestly stumped to know what it is. I've been to the dealer yesterday and demonstrated this in their car park like a few times. We were going forwards, going backwards, we're turning the wheel, various kind of things to try and see if it did it in those circumstances, and it did it in every one of those circumstances. I've made some clips by hooking my GoPro onto the front wing of the car and just driving around this car park where I am at the moment, so I can demonstrate the noise to you. I'd be interested if anyone else has got this noise as well. So if you have a 2018 Leaf, please just listen out for this. As I say, engage ePedal, start from a complete standstill, and then just slowly increase the pressure on the accelerator, and you should hear a clicking noise if you've got this as well. As you're still moving forward, just release the pressure on the accelerator to bring yourself to a stop, and then you should hear the same noise as well. Hope this is not a sign of anything major or a substantial problem for Nissan. I hope it doesn't turn into clunkgate or clickgate or whatever, but you know these kind of things. But I'm not gonna start using hashtags and things like that, like clickgate or clunkgate. So as I say, it's booked into the dealer. Unfortunately, it's at the end of the month. It's the 14th today, so they can't look at it until about the 30th. So we'll find out more then. One thing I should also point out, when I was demonstrating it in the car park, it was to the service advisor, and it just happened to be a technician going back to a car, so he called him over as well and demonstrated so he could listen as well, and he could obviously hear it too. And he suggested something to do with the spline somewhere. Not sure what he means by that, but hopefully we'll find out more when it goes into the dealership. So I'll obviously post an update when I know more. So if you subscribe, you'll be notified about this. So another incentive to subscribe. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. I'm just overwhelmed with how many there are of you. And that's it really, just a quick one. So stay tuned and I'll post further updates when I know more.